So here we have the Nadula curly wig. It is so pretty. As you can see, it has all this volume. Oh my gosh. And this wig is damp, so it's not even dry yet. So you know it's gonna have crazy volume. So I did bleach the knots and plucked a little bit more. It did come pre-plucked and it actually looked good. But I wanted to kind of do like a widow's peak kind of style. I'm gonna see how that goes. But first, let's cut off this lace. And I'm gonna use Got to Be Glue to lay this wig. Excuse my hands, I've been dyeing some wigs all morning. And so I got dye all over my hands. Those are the black marks that you're seeing. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer around my hairline. If you want this wig to stay even longer, just complete these steps 2 times. I'm gonna take my blow dryer on the cool settings for 30 seconds. We got the lace laid. Now we are gonna put our scarf on, and this is gonna help to make the lace melt and get rid of that white contrast. So let's see how this lace is looking. Yes, no lifting. We got a little bit of excess glue. I'm just gonna take this damp washcloth and clear that up. So this wig does not have a whole lot of parting space. I believe it's 13 by 4. It looks a little shorter, but here is where the lace ends. All right, first, let's do some baby hairs. So the way I plucked it was so I can have like kind of like a Cupid's bow. Let's see how I did. I'm gonna take my curling mousse. It's gonna help get rid of this white contrast as well. Hey, this is cute. Cute. The lace is way too light for me. The lace is way too light for me, but I'm gonna put some pressed powder on it once everything dries. But let's get this curl pattern going. So I'm gonna take my water bottle mixed with conditioner and just drench this wig. Oh my gosh, these curls, they got me hyped. So now I'm just gonna add some curling mousse. I'm gonna try to get these hairs to stay down. Here we have the final look. It's super cute. I love these curls. They're bomb. absolutely bomb. This is my second day wearing it. I started recording the tutorial, and then the hair takes a while to dry, so I was like, whatever, I'll do it tomorrow because I love this curly wig so much. I wore it another day. It's super cute. It's about 50% dry, so when it's really dry, it has a lot of volume. I'm going to show you guys, but I like it more subtle. This hair comes with 13x4 parting space, as you can see here, and some pre-plucked baby hairs. I plucked it a little bit more, maybe like 10 more minutes off camera, but it's super easy. If you don't know how to pluck a wig, this is perfect because you actually don't have to pluck this anymore if you don't want to. Shipping was really fast. It took about, I would say, about a week to get it, so you don't have to wait really long. And this hair is 24 inches. Let me show you guys the back. Super flowy. This is a perfect vacation wig, trust me. I love it. So I want to thank you guys for checking out this video, and Nadula here for sending me this hair. If you enjoyed this video, please show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Until my next video, peace.